Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025 and want to take control of your Dogecoin, transferring it from Robinhood to your Coinbase wallet is a smart move. Robinhood is great for trading, but keeping your assets in a personal wallet gives you more flexibility and security. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Robinhood app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're ready, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Head over to your portfolio section, where you'll see all your holdings. Find Dogecoin in your list and tap on it to open the details. Next, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security, so go ahead and do that. Now, select the withdrawal option and choose to send it to an external wallet. You'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get that, switch over to the Coinbase Wallet app, go to your wallet settings, and copy the Dogecoin receive address. Make sure you're copying the correct one for Dogecoin to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Robinhood, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything, especially the amount you're withdrawing and the address, to prevent costly errors. Robinhood might charge a small fee for this transfer, so keep an eye on that and confirm the details. Once you're set, hit the confirm button, and your Dogecoin will be on its way. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, hop back to your Coinbase Wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your Dogecoin arrive shortly. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Dogecoin. Remember, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling all available protections. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.